A very pleasant good morning to one and all. Learning never exhausts the mind. Rather, it ignites innovation and inspires excellence. It gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the inaugural session of the 6-day online faculty development program on next generation cybersecurity, AI-driven threat detection, analytics, and defense, organized by the Department of Information Technology, St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagarkoil. Today's program brings together academicians, researchers, and professionals from various institutions to explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. We hope the coming 6 days will provide an excellent opportunity for learning, collaboration, and professional growth. On behalf of the
Okay. On behalf of the management, principal, head of the department, faculty members, and students of the Department of Information Technology, we extend our heartfelt welcome to our respected dignitaries, distinguished resource person, faculty participants, and our esteemed guests joining us through this online platform. Your valuable presence and enthusiastic participation will undoubtedly make this faculty development program a memorable and enriching experience. Now let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty to seek His guidance for the successful conduct of this program. I request Dr. A. Arul Rex, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, to kindly lead us in prayer.
A very warm good morning to one and all. Let us begin this auspicious occasion by seeking the blessing of Almighty God. Heavenly Father, we thank you for bringing us together on this blessed day to inaugurate the 6-day faculty develop program on next generation cybersecurity, AI-driven threat detection, analytics, and defense. We invoke your abundant blessing upon our beloved institution, St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering. Bless our correspondent, principal, bursar, our head of the department, deans, faculty members, distinguished resource person, invited guests, and all the participants gathered here today. Grant wisdom and clarity to our resource persons as they share their knowledge. Fill every participant with the enthusiasm, curiosity, and the desire to learn. May this program inspire innovative thinking, strengthen professional competence, and foster collaboration for the advancement of education and society. As we explore the evolving field of AI-driven cybersecurity, guide us to use technology with integrity, responsibility, and compassion. Help us to uphold the highest ethical value in our teaching, research, and professional lives. Bless every session, every discussion, and every interaction throughout these 6 days. May this faculty development program be a source of knowledge, inspiration, and lasting impact for all who take part. We place this program and all our endeavors into your loving hands. May your grace be with us today and always. Amen.
Thank you, sir.
A warm welcome is the first step towards building meaningful connections and memorable experiences. Every successful event begins with inspiring words of welcome. It's my privilege to invite Dr. Sujai Alex, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, whose visionary leadership and commitment to the academic excellence continue to inspire both faculty and students to deliver the welcome address. Madam, may I request you to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning to all. It's my great pleasure and privilege to extend a warm welcome to everyone gathered here for the inaugural session of the Faculty Development Program on Next Generation Cybersecurity, AI-driven threat detection, analytics, and defense. First of all, I would like to welcome our correspondent, our esteemed correspondent, the Reverend Father is Godwin Silver Justice. He is unable to join us today due to his official commitments. His encouragement and unwavering support remain a constant source of inspiration. We convey our respectful greetings and heartfelt gratitude to him. I extend a warm welcome to our respected principal, Dr. J. Mageshwaran, whose constant encouragement, guidance, and commitment to academic excellence continue to inspire us. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's an honor to welcome today's resource person, Dr. T. Dilifan Rajkumar, whose expertise in AI, data mining, and cybersecurity will enrich today's session more insightful and engaging for all the participants. Hearty welcome to you, sir. I also extend a cordial welcome to all the participants from various institutions. Your participation reflects your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. Warm welcome to each one of you. I hope that every session will be informative, interactive, and highly beneficial to all the participants. Once again, I hearty welcome and wish you an enriching learning experience. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm words of welcome and encouragement. A true leader inspires confidence, nurtures excellence, and empowers others to achieve greatness. It's now my honor to invite our respected principal, Dr. J. Maheshwaran, St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, to deliver the felicitation address.
Resource person of today's session of this FDP, Dr. Dilipan Rajkumar from Kalaslingam University. Head of the Department of IT, Dr. Suja Alex ma'am. The FDP coordinators, Dr. Arul Rex and Mrs. Agnes Alex Reddy ma'am. Faculty members of IT Department of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering. Delegates from reputed institutions. Good morning. I join the head of the Department of IT in welcoming the resource person and the esteemed delegates from other reputed institutions and organizations. Really, I am very happy to note that the Department of IT is coming forward to conduct a 6-day faculty development program on next generation cybersecurity, AI-driven threat detection, analytics, and defense. I take this opportunity to congratulate the organizers to choose the right title as their FDP. And I am seeing in this title of this FDP, there are some 4 subsets. One is cyber security, and that too next generation cyber security. Then regarding threat detection, that too AI-driven threat detection. And then the third subset is security analytics. And the fourth one is intelligent cyber defense. Therefore, they are combining these four subsets, and then they are giving the title for this FDP. And again, regarding the course objectives, I mean these objectives of this FDP as well as the outcomes of this FDP. Really, I am very happy on seeing the course objective, I mean the FDP objectives as well as the outcomes mentioned in the brochure. Understanding of the next generation cyber security and AI-driven threat detection, along with the practical skills in security analytics and intelligent cyber defense. Therefore, in a beautiful manner, the objectives of this FDP is given. And again, while going through the sessions of this 6 days FDP, I am very happy to note that all the topics are mostly related with the title of this FDP: AI in cybersecurity, AI-driven threat detection, ML and DL for threat analytics, purple teaming with AI, security analytics and CM, future of AI in cybersecurity. And again, relevant to the topics, the organizers, they have identified the right resource persons, starting from Dr. Liban Rajkumar sir, and again the professors from academic institutions, leading academic institutions like KSR College of Engineering, Ungunadu College of Engineering, University College of Engineering, and also 50% of the resource persons from the industry side, Cognizant, Genla Private Limited, and Everbridge, Bangalore. Therefore, I take this opportunity once again to congratulate the organizers for choosing the right topic as the everyday session as well as the potential resource persons also. And again, regarding the emerging domain, that cybersecurity, and again regarding the technologies like AI, ML, and deep learning techniques for threat detection as well as cyber defense, and also using the tools, security analytics and security information and event management tools. And then finally, the outcome shall be integrating AI-based cybersecurity technologies into our teaching as well as research, starting from by the way of giving in the form of the projects for UG and PG and PhD, and again some industry-oriented projects also. Therefore, once again, on behalf of the management, it is my pleasure to welcome all the delegates of this faculty development program. And on behalf of the management, it is our pleasure to inaugurate this FDP. And with this 6-day FDP on next generation cybersecurity, AI-driven threat detection, analytics, and defense, organized by the Department of Information Technology, be a successful one. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words and valuable guidance. I request everyone to switch on your cameras for taking a photo. Thank you, sir. The expert in everything was once a beginner who never stopped learning. With that inspiration at mind, we now move to the most anticipated session of today's inaugural program. It's my pleasure to invite Mrs. P. Agnes Alex Reddy, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, to introduce our distinguished resource person.
It's my great honor and privilege to introduce today's esteemed resource person, Dr. T. Liban Rajkumar. He is currently serving as an associate professor and head placements in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education, and has over 15 years of academic and research experience. He obtained his PhD in Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in data mining, focusing on query refinement in search engines using web mining. His research interests include data mining, web mining, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and social networking. He has published numerous high-quality research papers in Sci and Scopus index channels and has made significant contribution in the areas of artificial intelligence, deep learning, cybersecurity, IoT, healthcare applications, and data analytics. Dr. Dilipan has also attended and delivered several faculty development programs, workshops, seminars, and technical sessions on artificial intelligence, data analytics, ethical hacking, deep learning, cloud computing, and data security. Today, he will share his expertise on the topic AI in cybersecurity. On behalf of the Department of Information Technology, I extend a warm and cordial welcome to our esteemed resource person. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, madam. Shall I share the screen and start my presentation?
Okay. So, session two. Before we begin, we kindly request all participants to keep their microphones on mute throughout the section and post your questions in the chat box. The resource person will address them during the interactive section. Now, without further delay, it's my privilege to invite our esteemed resource person, Dr. T. Tilban Rajkumar, to deliver today's technical section. Sir, the stage is yours.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for inviting, and we'll have a session on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. I will share my screen. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Yeah. Thank you for introducing me, and good morning, everyone. The topic today we are going to discuss is artificial intelligence and cyber security. I hope artificial intelligence everyone is aware about, and cyber security is also everyone as a faculty we are supposed to know about artificial intelligence and cyber security. And today we are going to discuss about in which way we are going to incorporate artificial intelligence concept in cyber security, and then how we can able to work and go for research and all. Today only basic things only we are going to see as it is the introduction part. A little bit basic on those only we are going to see. And myself, Dilipan Rajkumar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of CSC, Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. Before going to the concept of cybersecurity, we have to know what is security and the evaluation of evolution of security. So security encompasses the protection of assets, data, and individual from threats, unauthorized access, and harm. In digital age, it extends beyond physical boundaries to include cybersecurity, data privacy, and intelligent threat detection system. So normally, everywhere security is needed, even in front of your college as well as everyone's college or any places, security will be there. Mainly this is for protection purpose, and any issues or anything happen, to overcome that only we are having security. So in the same way, in the cyber world, cyber evolution also, we are in need of security. Another one thing is, if you are considering your system or else anywhere, we are having for security purpose, we are having antivirus, or else if you are considering even in our home also, we are having door, key, lock, everything for security to safeguard our things. So in the same way, in the cyber environment also, we are in need of security. So next one is we are going to see about evolution timeline. In traditional security, as I told already, we are having physical guard, locks, manual surveillance, reactive approach, limited scalability. Actually, recently one of my scholar completed a work on surveillance only. That is in cameras, how we can able to identify the human face of, and how can we get able to identify with the help of deep learning concept and machine learning concept only. So manual surveillance everywhere it is available, and we are having cameras to detect video cameras. Everywhere we are installing a CCTV for protection purpose. Because of that cameras, CCTVs, videos, we can able to identify the uh, persons who are doing misuse in within a fraction of time. Within half an hour to 1 hour, the police can able to identify what is happened, what is the process, what happening everywhere, everything we can able to identify. And in digital security, we are having CCTV, access control system, basic automation, semi-automated monitoring. Next one, AI-based security, intelligent systems, predictive analytics, autonomous response, proactive threat detection, and real-time adaptation. Everything is possible in AI-based security. Uh, Previous one, everyone is aware about. That is traditional security. Everyone is aware about. Digital security also, CCTV and all we know. Now AI-based security, without intervention of human, how it is happening, how we can able to predict all those things. That's what intelligent system, predictive analytics, autonomous response, proactive threat detection, real-time adaptation, everything will come under that, and we can able to explore those things only. Next, why AI is essential. So before going to work as manual and all, what is the need of AI? Why in current scenario we are talking more about AI that plays a major role? This is because of the exponential data growth. Once in 2010, like that and all, what is the thing? Data in the sense of if you are considering a mobile phone in 2010, 11 and all, everyone had mobile phone, but we don't have that much of pictures or images, videos and all. Whereas now what we are having, even in each and everyone hand, we are having 256 GB memory. A cell phone is there. In that nearly 10 GB to 20 GB of photos we are having. Okay, that's what they are telling. Exponential data growth. 90 percentage of world's data created in last 2 years. Another one important thing, in 2012 and all, Geo come into effect, and because of that, they given a free network. Because of free network, what happened is all the other SIM card, all the places out. Airtel and all gone, and the Geo was introduced and become a drastic growth. Because of that, each and everyone is using net all the time, and each and everyone is having touch phone. Even now, our kids are using mobile phone all the time. Without mobile phone, they won't eat. If they want to sleep, also we have to show some videos. Because of that, a lot of development happened. Okay, exponential develop data growth was happened. 90% of all data created in the last 2 years, sophisticated threats. Yes, lot of data growth, lot of data, everything is happening. And even now, what we are doing, as we don't have memory space in our mobile, we are going for cloud. We are accessing cloud for storing our data. In Apple iPhone and all, we can able to use nearly large amount of data with a very less money. Okay, so because of that, only sophisticated threats also, threat attacks, lot of attacks are also happening. AI powered attack requires AI defense, and next one is 24 bar 7 operation, continuous monitoring without fatigue. Okay, so lot of attacks are happening. For that, we can't human can't able to watch all the time, and they can't able to monitor. That's why 24 bar 7 operation. For that, without tiredness, we have to check each and everything where malicious actions are happening. Everything should be monitored. For that only, we are introducing AI in security. Next one, pattern recognition. Oh, that's what I told. My scholar completed work, right? He did in pattern recognition for face, how it is going to identify whether this is the particular person who did wrong thing, and all that. Fake detection, fake detection. That's what the topic is. It detects anomaly humans cannot see. Next one, security challenges today. What are the security challenges happening, and how we are going to avoid? That's what we are going to see. First one is increasing cyber threats. So, cyber attack have grown exponentially in sophistication and frequency. Ransomware attack increases by 93% in 2024, with average breach cost reaching $4.88 million. Meaning is per day, daily attack happening is 2,200 plus attacks are happening. 39 seconds attack frequency. Within 39 seconds, we attacks are happening. This is the scenario we collected. And next one, human error in monitoring. Human operators experiencing fatigue, distraction, and cognitive limitations. We can't able to even if our session is for more than 1.5 to 2 hours. It is not easy for us to look into the monitor, and we can't able to listen all of a sudden. Okay. For minimum 22 to 30 minutes, we can able to sit in monitor and listen. Some distraction will be there. We will move here and there. Okay. This is a study. Okay. So studies show operator attention drop by 95% after 22 minutes of continuous monitoring, leading to missed critical events. Here, 95% attention drop will be there. 22 minutes focus duration will be there. 95% out of 500, 100 or 20 students on in online also. What is the thing happening? 95% attention drop will be there. Everything is for our session only. Okay, as it is online, I am telling you. So these are some of the issues. Because of these challenges, we are introducing AI into effect for CCTV monitoring and all. Even everyone is having CCTV in our home. Whether we are looking into the CCTV all the time, whether we are monitoring what is happening in our room, in our home, like no. If any misactivity or any unwanted activity happen in our home, then only we are looking into what ends happened. Like that, we will watch the CCTV video, or else no, nothing will be there. Even now, what is the thing we are having? We are having in and around CCTV cameras. The cost of CCTV camera installation, everything is very less now. So everyone is having Previously, CCTV camera in rare places, or else in railway station, or else in airports only there. Whereas now everyone is having. Why? Because for safety purpose only we are having. To for protecting our system, even we are not in home. For that purpose only we are having. So we are incorporating, or we are adding AI to make it more secure. For that only we are incorporating AI in it. Next one, surveillance overload. Organization generative massive volume of surveillance data. A single airport produced 500 plus TB of video data monthly. See, normally in our laptop and all, 1 TB is maximum. Whereas in a single airport, how much it is producing? See, 500 plus TB of video data monthly. Overwhelming human operators who can effectively monitor only 1 to 2 feet percentage of feeds. A human is assigned for, and if it is um, his task is to watch the video all the time, means it is not possible for them to watch all the time. Okay, that's what happening. And here 50 plus TB monthly data, 98% unmonitored. See, 1 to 2 feeds, 2 percentage only they can able to monitor. Remaining 98% they can't able to. And need for real time response. Traditional systems rely on post event analysis. Modern thread requires sub-second detection and response. A breach can spread literally through a network in under 60 minutes. Less than 1 second detection time, 60 minutes lateral spread will be available. Next one, what is AI in security? The simulation of human intelligence processed by computer system, enabling a machine to learn, reason, and make decision autonomously. Okay, without anyone's intervention, if we are incorporating AI, no need of a human to, oh, you do this, you do that, like that, or else we have to go and comment, or we have to we are here, or we are in front of the system to support. Nothing is needed. Okay, the simulation of human intelligence processed by computer system, enabling machine to learn. The machine itself learn. Okay, now Dilip Rajkumar is entering, or another person is entering. They are inside the venue only, like that. It will analyze automatically, and next time, if the same person is coming, means okay, they are the persons of this venue, like that. They will identify, and it will make decision autonomously. No need of human intervention is needed. Like this, in our college also, we had autonomous attendance monitoring system. Uh, we will feed all the students data or image as input. Next time, if students are entering into the venue, it will take the attendance. 65 students, there are 65 students who all are absent, it will give absent, like that. Like that one mini project also in previous year in our final year students they did. It was appreciated by urban committee members while visiting our campus. Why I am telling this is no need of taking attendance by the faculty. Instead, autonomously, uh, machine will take. It is giving proper attendance and present absent, and the count of absent is everything it is showing. Okay. So next one is in security. AI system analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and respond to threats faster and more accurately than human operators. If human is there, sometimes mistakes will come. Okay, it is natural. Human mistakes, human errors are natural one. Even we are 100% effectively monitoring and we are giving the input. Sometimes some errors, human typo mistake or anything will come. All of a sudden, some boy will tell attendance, we will put absent for the next person. Like that, this will happen. Whereas if it is a machine, it won't do any mistake. That is the thing now everywhere it is. Because of the development of AI, and one more thing will happen is a lot of work. 100 percentage of faculty is working now. Once AI in all the field means AI will reduce the human power. Okay. Once in my father is a banker. Once in his bank, I used to go in my small age. At the time, nearly 20 to 30 members worked in a bank, whereas now 4 to 5 members are in a bank with system. In 2005, 6, 7, and all system computer came into banking, and after that, what happened is manager level they don't know because all the time they used to do only in a notebook ledgers and all. After computer came into effect and um, they took new computer knowledge known students or employees into banks. Thereby what happened is instead of doing 20 to 30 members work, 5 members to 6 members are working in a bank. If you go anywhere, even in the central bank or regionalized bank, remaining bank and are 5 to 6 members only working. Why I am telling this is once computer or AI into effect, the manpower will be reduced. See, and it is providing everything with 100% accuracy. Whereas if it is done by humans, some mistakes will happen. And at the time and of for storing data and all, they have a separate big room. Thereby, each and every rack will be there for each and every one passbook. What is the withdrawal? What is the transaction? Everything they will note it in a note. Whereas now, in our mobile phone itself, in the bank app, we can able to see at what time we took money, what time we are transferring. Whereas now, no one is having money in hand. Everyone is having mobile phone, GPay, Phone Pay, Paytm, like that. Okay. Through that, we are transacting money. For the past 1 month, I didn't take money in hand. Everything in mobile transaction, even in vegetable shops or else in petty shops, stationaries, anywhere, GPay we are doing. Thereby, what is the thing happening is we are reducing it. And as we are reducing all those things, we have to give more security, thumb security, face recognition security. Okay. uh, Everything we are giving in our mobile phone, whereas in the starting, no, we don't have security purpose in our mobile. We don't even have, only lock will be there. We have to press answer button and start button for lock open, like that. In the starting our mobile phone had, whereas now we are having all the security, facial recognition, pattern also we are having. What type of pattern you are using, it's up to you. And our face also will be recognized, even our tongue recognition is there, all because we are using everything, data, everything in mobile phone itself. Okay. So if you are using AI into, we can able to reduce the human power, and it is providing 100% accuracy than human operators. Next one is machine learning. Algorithms that improve through experience without explicit programming. Systems learn from historical data to identify patterns and predict outcomes. Some of the application of machine learning is fraud detection, malware classification, and next one is deep learning. So deep learning concept in AI is the overall. Within that only we are having machine learning, and within that deep learning. For more large amount, we can't able to work using machine learning concept. That's why we are going for deep learning. Neural network with multi layers that automatically extract features from raw data, enable complex pattern recognition in image, speech, and text. Application is face recognition, behavior analysis. Next one is computer vision. Uh, it enables machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, processes images and video stream in real time, application, surveillance and object detection. Next one is natural language processing. Processor and analyze human language data, extracts meaning, sentiment, and intent for text and speech. Application, phishing detection and threat intent. I hope I am audible and my screen is visible, right? Someone please, or sometimes due to network issue, it,
Yes, visible, sir.
yeah, visible and it is clear. My voice is clear. Yeah, thank you. I hope as of now what we discussed basic about security and challenges and where and all we are using and its application we saw. And next one, AI driven security system flow. This is very, very important. Normally, if you are going for writing papers, most of them will do PhD. I hope a few completed. As a budding scholar, you have to know about system architecture. This plays a major role. Architecture diagram plays a major role in your paper and all. Okay, so this is the workflow. First, what is the input you are going to give? What is the next step? Or what will be the classification? Or what is the feature extraction you are going to give? And what is the final output? Those things is very essential. In the architecture, the diagram itself, evaluator, the paper editor come to know, okay, this is the work they are going to do. From your diagram, it should be clearly visible. Okay. Actually, I am acting as an editor in lot of journals, Springer, elsewhere. Uh, in a lot of journals, I am editor. I used to review papers. First thing, I will go for the architecture diagram, and then in literature, whether you are using recent papers. If you are sending papers for Springer, any Springer paper they refer that to recent 25, 24, 26 like that, I will see. And then architecture is good. And if you are giving architect diagrams, results, everything you are having means for each and every result, there is some information. And for formulas, whether he explained each and every word in the formula and with numbers he kept, all those things I used to check. That's why I'm telling architecture diagram or system flow plays a major role. Here, first thing is input. Normally, input will be of camera, sensors, network traffic, access logs. It is multi-source data, and then it will go to data collection. Here, we are having aggregation, pre-processing, normalization. I hope ETL pipeline, extract, transform, and load. That will be the data collection we will go for. Next one, AI model. And here we are going to use machine learning, deep learning algorithms, and pattern recognition. Everything comes under neural network. And next, it will be moving on to threat detection. And in threat detection only, we are going to identify the anomaly detection, classification, and scoring. Real-time analysis will be happening in threat detection. Last one is alert or response. Here, notifications will be there, notification and automated actions. It is going to predict the person who is doing misbehaviors and all will be detected. And finally, it will report this is the person doing unwanted activities. That is, immediate action should be taken. Okay. So, from the architecture diagram itself, you come to know what are the things we are going to do here. Multi-source data will be there, and the extract, transfer, and load pipeline, and then neural network, real-time analysis, finally the immediate action. And Next one, types of security. So in types of security, we are having AI-based surveillance. I hope AI-based surveillance everyone is aware about. This can be done for our CCTV image, videos, and all. So, intelligent video analytics system that automatically detects, track, and analyze objects, behaviors, and event in real-time video streams. Some of the actions that will happen are face recognition, behavior analysis, and object tracking. So face recognition, each and everyone face can be done. Behavior analysis, whether I am how I am, whether I am sitting normally or I am tensed or I am someone is coming out and I am interacting. That's what the object behavior analysis and our mentality, whether I am enthusiastic or I am tired. All those things can be the behavior. Object tracking means whether I am going to take any object, mobile phone, knife, sword, gun, everything will be taken care of. Next one, intrusion detection IDS. So, network security system that monitor traffic patterns to identify and respond to malicious activities, unauthorized access attempt, and policy violation. So I hope everyone is aware about what malicious activities, unauthorized access and policy violation is. Policy violation is if I am sharing in my PPT, if someone is scratching or someone is doing anything or someone is changing. Now everyone is aware about any desk. Previously, as I am placement coordinator in my college, few students are caught. What is the thing is, with the help of the any desk, he is using malpractice. He is writing the exam, and he was caught and he was barred freely. Why I am telling this is, with the help of any desk, what is the thing happening is, someone is writing exam instead of him. Like that, it happened. So this is called unauthorized access. This is called authorized access. Unauthorized access. Na? Without our intervention, someone will use our data. That's what unauthorized access and policy violation. If a person is doing unwanted activities without our intervention or without our knowledge, that comes under policy violation, malicious attack. Some of them are anomaly detection, HDS and NIDS. Next one, biometric authentication. So AI-powered identity verification using unique biological characteristics such as fingerprint, facial features, iris pattern, and voice recognition. So, with the help of biometric authentication and this everything can be identified with the help using our AI, fingerprint, facial recognition, and iris scan. Previously, iris scan was most widely used. Now fingerprint and face recognition came into effect with a cheaper rate. No one is now going for iris scan. Iris scan and all now not in use. I hope in highly secure places and all they are using iris scan. Whereas now in our mobile phone itself we are using fingerprint and facial recognition. Iris scan and all we are not going for, I hope. Even in our college we are having thumb impression for attendance, everything is there. Okay. Even for hostel they incorporated fingerprint. Next one, fraud detection. Fraud detection, financial security system that analyze transaction patterns in real time to identify and prevent fraudulent activities across banking and payment platform. Some of the fraud detection actions are transaction monitoring. In our mobile phones, we are doing, right? What time you are doing transaction, or else if you are going to ATM and you are transfer, what is the time and date, everything will come. And which date you transfer money and to whom you transfer money, everything can be identified. That is what transaction monitoring. pattern analysis, what type of pattern they are using and how they are going to provide security. That is called pattern analysis. Also, risk scoring, how much risk is available or how much we have to give protection that should be taken care of. Next one, cyber threat intelligence. So, proactive security systems that aggregate, analyze, and contextualize threat data from multiple score to predict and prevent cyber attack before they occur. These platforms leverages AI to correlate indicator of compromise and analyze threat actor behavior pattern and provide actionable intelligence for security teams. Some of the issues are threat hunting, IOC analysis, that is uh, indicator of compromise analysis, predictive analytics, and attack simulation. Predictive analytics, I hope in all the field we are now using predictive analytic concept. If for doing predictive analytics, we are in need of large amount of data. If you are having large amount of data, it will provide you with 100% efficient analysis. It will give. In once upon a time and all, in our school times and all, if in climate, weather condition, weather monitoring, if they are telling today rain will come and they will give leave, but the situation is it won't rain, and it is a happy moment for us at the time and all. Whereas now and all, if they are telling rain is coming or flood will come, now it will come. Why? Because now they are having large amount of data. Because of that, what was the thing they are predicting, what they are giving, it is happening. Whereas once, I hope everyone is remember about Ramanan. He used to give today rain will come, 2 days leave, 1 day leave, like that, but nothing will happen. Because what is the thing happened previously, they don't have that much of data, and their prediction is not that much 100%. Whereas now what they are doing, it is with the system prediction. So because of that, what they are telling is happening all of a sudden. Okay. So predictive analytics now happening and it is providing result as a 100%. Next one, attack simulation. So how attacks is going to happen, and this is the way and how we can able to give solution for that attack will plays a major role. Next one, threat hunting and how threat is coming, how we have to protect it. All those things are happening in cyber threat intelligence. Next one, face recognition. So deep learning techniques, algorithms, analysis facial features to identify individual with 99.97 accuracy. And I hope everyone is aware about one algorithm, GAN. What is the need of GAN is if you are having very less amount of images or features of the GAN will provide you with different. If you are using GAN algorithm, it will generate more duplicate images. That by its successes, it will deliver all the images, and it is true like that. It will tell. When it will fails, now we can able to predict this is the duplicate image which was created like that. If you are telling it will fail. Okay, this is the issue. And system can match face against watch list in real time, even with partial occlusion or varying lightning condition. So some of the places where we are using one is to N matching, liveliness detection, age or gender estimation. Those places we will use our face recognition concept. Next one, behavior detection. Behavior detection in the sense AI analyze movement pattern, posture, and action to detect. Normally in buses and all, they are using drowsiness, driver drowsiness prediction. Because of the whether driver is tired or he is drowsy, that can be identified. Even if you are closing the eyes, it will detect and it will give some information, right? That's what. So AI analysis movement pattern, posture, and action to detect suspicious behavior like loitering, unauthorized access, violence, and abandoned object. Systems learn normal patterns and flag anomalies. Some of the actions are action recognition, git analysis, anomaly detection. Anomaly means unauthorized users are coming is anomaly detection. Git anomaly tiredness or anything will be identified. And action recognition, what action is doing, that will be. Next one, object detection. Real-time identification and tracking of objects include weapons, vehicles, bags, and unauthorized items. I hope everyone is aware about YOLO. Those who are doing PhD and all, if it is in image processing, deep learning, machine learning, they are using means you are supposed to know YOLO. Because YOLO, with the help of that, what is the object identification, YOLO will come into effect. So SSD algorithm process 30 to 60 FFDs with high precision will be there. YOLO V8 is there, SSD, mobile net, and faster RCNN. These are the things which are useful for object identification. Recurrent neural network and it plays a major role in object detection. Everything comes in the deep learning concept. And next one is crowd analysis. So in crowd analysis, AI monitor crowd density, flow patterns, and detects anomalies like stoppages, fights, or unusual gathering, essential for public safety at events and transportation hubs. So crowd analysis maximum in Tamil Nadu. Recently, I hope everyone is aware about Karur issue. So in that crowd, that is planned one, but crowd, if police and all, if they thought of means they can able to stop that, not happen. Whereas recently in Tirunelveli and all, Kart festival happened, that and all, they cleared the crowd in a smooth manner. They can able to, but in Karur, they didn't do it in a proper manner. So crowd analysis in airports or else in festival places, if they are using CCTV cameras and all means, we can able to reduce the crowd, and that way we can safeguard the we can able to stop unwanted death or crashes due to this. Um, it can be done using density estimation and flow analysis. Even now, in our map, Google Map, we are having, right? In that, while traveling from one place to another, if you are having more crowd, means it will show in red color. Less crowd means orange, or else in blue color, like that. It will differentiate if you are using map. In nowadays recent cars and all, we are having GPS connected maps. In that, it is clearly telling in this area if you are going, its crowd is there, then we will move to some other place. That way we can able to reduce the crowd. That way flow analysis is more helpful for understanding the crowd. So key technologies we will use here are CNN, that is convolution neural network, and Viola is for real-time object detection. Next one, AI in cyber security. Before that, I want to know I am audible and it is clear, right? What I am telling is audible, na? Anyone please respond?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. We'll move on to the topic. Why I am asking again and again whether it is audible or not means previously in one session I am giving my lecture in a flow, but due to network cut, what I delivered was actually delivered to them. Simply, I am delivering my lecture. The participants can't able to get. That's why again and again asking. Okay, sorry for it. Thank you. Thanks for understanding. Like, Next one, AI in cybersecurity. In that, we are having malware detection, network anomaly detection, phishing detection, and AI-based firewall. First one is malware detection. So the AI analysis files characteristics, behavior patterns, and code structures to identify known and zero-day malware with 99.5% accuracy. So here, what are the types of things will come? Static and dynamic analysis can be taken care using your thing, and see 99.5% accuracy. The malware is 0-day malware with 99.5% accuracy is happening. Next one, network anomaly detection. So the ML model establish baseline network behavior and flag deviation, indicating intrusion, data exfiltration, and lateral movement. So network anomaly detection, with the help of that only these are the actions or activities are happening. If it is going in a easiest way, sometimes due to some obstacles or anything, what is the thing will happen is the flow will be reduced, or even now I am handling session, right? If any intrusion or any network issue happening means, what is the thing I can't, why, what is the thing I am delivering won't be reached to you at a proper rate. Or network issue, anything happening also, you won't get my voice clearly. So there will be some fluctuation. Okay, this is called baseline. Next one, phishing detection. Phishing detection, natural language processing algorithm analyze email content, URL, sender behavior to detect phishing attack. I hope this everyone is aware about. Some unwanted message is coming now is going for spam and all, right? Or some, if someone is tracking our mail, a lot of mails will come unwantedly. So simply, if you are clicking on, it will they will take our username and password. Lot of things will come under this phishing attack. uh, NLP algorithm, that is our natural language processing algorithm, analyze email contents. It is unsafe like that. As we are using KMU, that is trusting in mail ID. If anyone outsiders are sending any emails, it is unsafe like that. First, it will come. After that, what is the thing will come in is, we have to go and change it is safe like that. We have to change. For example, something will come as unsafe like that. I used to do it as safe like that. Everything safe and I changed. I hope that is the thing is not coming. Or else if you open it is unsafe like that, it will come. Recently, a lot of message came. Recently only I opened all. That's why it is coming like that. Or else unsafe like that, it is coming. Everything because of our NLP processing, natural language processing, and see, it detects phishing attempt, reduce click rates by 85 percentage, and it can be done using content and content analysis. Actually, my research area will use only the content and context analysis. Meaning is, in Google, if you are typing the content, and based on the content only we are getting the results and all. So how it is going to analyze, and what way we can able to track the data, and whether it is accurate or not, all those things can be in my research I did. So that's what I'm telling. And next one, AI-based firewall. So next-gen firewall uses AI to dynamically adjust rules based on threat intelligence, application behavior, and risk scope. Now we are having firewall in even now. If we don't install antivirus, also with the help of firewall, we can able to protect our system from unwanted activities, and someone can't able to interfere like that. We can able to. Whereas if it is AI-based firewall, means it will provide the rules based on the working and based on how um, attacks are coming. Based on that, it will automatically put some rules, and it will give application where risk scores, everything will be stopped. Adaptive policy engine will be an example of AI-based firewall. And next one is ML classifiers used. So this is the diagrammatic representation of ML based. So it is a neural architecture with we are having a lot of activation functions. Based on the activation function, one node will be sent for each and every nodes, and then only finally it will provide you the results. So ML classifiers used here are SVM, that is support vector machine, and it is one type of classification algorithm, and random forest with a multiple decision tree. It is an ensemble learning. Next one, neural network with multi-layer perceptron, deep learning concept. So ML classifiers used with all those things. These are some of the best known and most widely used algorithms. Next one, AI algorithms powering security. Uh, First one, CNN, that is convolution neural network. The specialization for specialized mainly for image and video processing only is the CNN, that is convolution neural network. It uses convolutional layers to automatically detect features like edges, textures, and patterns in visual data. Normally, with the help of CNN, text in for using text, we will use uh, texture, edge, texture, and pattern in visual data. Next one is LSTM we will use for text analysis, and then CNN or CNN we will go for using accurate concepts, and we will go for RCNN and all. Again and again, if the data should be processed and it will provide you with 100% accuracy, we will go for RCNN. And LSTM is for text analysis, and sometimes in scripts and all, the old scripts, whether it is what it is telling for that analysis, and whether it is the signature of the same person for signature analysis, and all, we will use LSTM concept. If it is image or video, we will go for CNN, and edge, texture, and pattern in visual data. Some security applications are face recognition, object detection, video analysis, we will use CNN concept. Next one is RNN, that is recurrent neural network. It is designed for sequential data processing, maintains memory of previous inputs, making them ideal for time series analysis and sequence prediction. Mainly, this will be most widely used in log analysis, behavior prediction, and analysis, network traffic. Log analysis, I hope everyone is aware about log. In If you are having username and password and what other things you are searching, okay, each and everything will be stored in the server log. If you are going to give an TDRCC, that is my account, and what is the thing he searched for each and everything they can able to take. In that any unwanted website or anything I search for, that can be tracked, and that way they can able to identify me. In that date and time you saw this like that can be predicted. That's just the log analysis will do. Network traffic, I hope everyone is know. The map I told in Google Map, a lot of traffic in this place traffic is there, that place traffic is there, you can move to some other place like that. In the same way, network traffic also is happening. How, in what is the reason behind the traffic and the process. Next one, behavior prediction, and based on our text as well as the post what we are sharing, we can identify which person is can be identified. Even in our in my college and faculty used to do at the time of Abad visit, Orals and NBA visit, they used to late nights we used to write at that time. Orals we shout at anyone. They used to put some status in their WhatsApp. They will come to know he's angry on us or me like that. And that way we have to go for and able to share the things in a different way. Next one is random forest. That is ensemble learning. It combines multiple decision it combines multiple decision trees to improve accuracy and prevent overfitting. It is excellent for classification tasks with high dimensional data. So, ensemble learning in the sense two or more decision tree concepts are clubbed together or combined together to improve the accuracy. Some of the security applications are malware detection and fraud scoring and risk assessment. Everything will be happening, and this can be taken care by using the reinforced algorithm. Next one is support vector machine. Uh, Support vector machine, it finds optimal hyperplanes to separate data classes, effective in high dimensional space. Previously, we saw ensemble analysis also will be for high dimensional space and all, and here it is mainly support vector machine is for effective in high dimensional space and work well with clear margin of separation. How come we can able to provide? How can we can stop all those things, places and all we can able to go for support vector machine. So some of the security applications where we will use SVM is intrusion detection, spam filtering, and authentication classification. For those things, and we will go for SVM. Next one is reinforcement learning. So adaptive decision making. Um, this is the reinforcement learning is now the recent one where we will go for identifying and predicting things. Algorithm learns optimal actions through trial and error, receiving rewards and penalties, continuously adapt to evolve threats, landscapes without explicit reprogramming. No need to do again and again reprogram. With the help of that, can able to do and can able to fine tune everything will be done accordingly. Agent develop sophisticated strategies for threat response, autonomously discovering defense patterns. That us might not anticipate. Some of the security applications are automated response, policy optimization, threat hunting, game theory defense. So policy automation, in this what is the thing will happen is based on the effects and all, automatically everything will be analyzed and it will do it by their own. That's why it is called reinforcement learning. So no need to again a human intervention should be there and he has to code again. No need. It will automatically reconstruct this. So that's why it is called as reinforcement learning. Based on the analysis and study, it will do it by their own. Next one, challenges and concerns. First one is privacy concern, mass surveillance and biometric data collection rise significant privacy issue. Next, facial recognition in public space and data retention policy face regulatory scrutiny and public opposition. So here, if it is mass surveillance and biometric data collection, privacy issue in the sense why they are taking my picture, why they are noting it, and why without our intervention they are looking into us. That's what privacy issues. Even now, privacy is happening in all the way in our mobile phone. See, if you are talking anything about, it will listen to us and based on that it will give you a solution. If for example, if you want to buy gold jewel, I want to buy gold jewel, what I have to do? If you are thinking, if you are speaking to your friend, it will provide you with in this shop there will be concession is there. In this shop we are having less amount and some offers they are providing, like that. A lot of offers will come. If you want to buy shoe, 50% offer in Bata or 60% offer Flipkart, like that will come. Why? Because each and every app where we are installing, it will ask you allow mobile phone, above microphone, above speaker. Everything will give yes. While installing, if you are giving our mobile phone is hearing each and every one. This plays the major role in privacy issue. For that, we are allowing because of that only a lot of issues are happening. Okay, so facial recognition in public space and data retention policy faces regulatory scrutiny and public opposition. Why they have organized? Now, now we are having Aadhaar card, right? Even we gave all the things, our eye, thumb, everything we gave, our details, everything, even with our face photo, everything we given Aadhaar. Because of that, if you are giving your data, this is that person is living in this venue, like that, all those things will show. And another one in our mobile phone location enable, right? With the help of that, where you are going, each and everything, it is showing. Uh, because of that, anything, if you can't able to hide, or if you want to escape from police, it is not possible with your mobile phone. If you don't have mobile phone and anything, you want to hide from police or anyone, you have to throw your mobile phone out first, and then only you will be safe from police if you are doing any misbehavior or anything. Because with the help of your mobile phone, your location, your current latitude, longitude, everything will be shown. And what is the thing you shared, what you searched, to whom you talked, what time you transaction happened, everything they will identify with the help of. So, mitigation, data anonymization techniques, strict retention policies, consent management frameworks are possible there. Next one, high implementation cost. A security system requires significant investment in hardware, software, training, and maintenance. Initial deployment costs can be prohibitive for smaller organizations. So high implementation cost is needed. So if you are considering our university, in all the places, if they want to keep CCTV cameras, it is not possible because it is a very big university. Even they are having in one corner of the corridor and another corner of, in each and every class, it is possible for us to keep cameras, and each and every lab, even each staff rooms, if they are keeping, means the cost will be more. In our home, we can able to give for one camera, it is nearly 14,000 to 15,000, and for installation, a lot of things there, and for TV, everything is there. Now, for each and everything, nearly for my house means it will be 1.5 to 2 lakhs I spend in all the places, cameras, CCTV, everything, and can able to fit. If it is for university or considering other thing, high implementation costs needed. That's what I am mentioning. A security system requires significant investment in hardware, software, training, and for smaller organization. Starting low while providing that plays a major role. Cost components, infrastructure, and compute. Suppose if I am having a small hut, okay, single room only I am having. In that, if I am keeping camera, and I am keeping a long TV for watching, all those things if I am having, what is the need of? Okay, lot of things, everything you have to consider before going to do all those security and all. So infrastructure and computer software licensing, training and expertise, all those things are very much high cost. Once it is fitted, once it is implemented, after that there is less maintenance only will happen. Next one is data bias. Data bias. AI models trained on biased dataset can perpetuate discriminations. Facial recognition system shows higher error rate for certain demographic, leading to unfair targeting. Data bias in the sense how it is going to find the data set, which can be not a clear one or else. Face recognition system show higher error rate for certain demographic, leading to unfair targeting. For example, now I am with a neatly shaved with everything. If I am with beard, how come it is going to detect? How come I are able to? So some of the investigation and diverse training data sets are needed. Algorithmic auditing is needed. Fairness, metric evaluation is needed. All those things are needed for data bias. Next one is ethical issue. Automated decision making raises questions about accountability, transparency, and human oversight. So, black box AI system may make decisions that cannot be easily explained or challenged. So, some of the mystification or explainable AI adoption is needed. Yes, there is explainable AI. Next one, human in the loop system, ethical review boards, all those things are needed. Next one, traditional versus AI-based security. I hope I am audible as of someone, please.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Traditional versus AI-based security. So we are having nearly some of the features and how the traditional security and AI security is happening. That's what we are having. First, what are the features we took are monitoring, speed, accuracy, scalability, cost efficiency, adaptability, and availability. So first one is monitoring. So in traditional security, we are having manual human operators and periodic checks will be available. In AI-based security, automated continuous AI monitoring is available. So AI monitoring, no need of any periodic break, no need from the starting to the end, it will monitor. Whereas traditional security means manual human operators will be there, and periodically any issues are happening like that they will check, and there will be switch over from this person. One slot will be there, morning 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Next, another person will come. Shift basis they will provide. Whereas for AI-based monitoring, nothing is needed. Next one, speed. Slow hours to days for detection. In traditional security, it will take some time for slow hours to days for detecting where the issue happened. One by one, they have to monitor. Whereas in AI-based security, real-time milliseconds to second is needed for identifying the unwanted action where they taken, or any objects or like guns or anything they are using. Everything can be identified in AI-based security at a faster way. Next one, accuracy. It is medium from 85% to 90%. Human dependent. Next one, high 99% plus for specific tasks. So accuracy is minimum 99%. In now in all the places it is 99 to 99.9% accuracy it is they are providing. Okay. If it is human, it is 85 to 90 only. Next one, scalability. It is limited linear with staff increase is there, whereas AI-based security it is high exponential with compute. Next one, cost efficiency. Low, medium, high operational cost is needed, whereas here high initial, low operation. Meaning enna, once it is installed, for installing it take more amount and all. After that, periodic maintenance, for that very less operational amount is needed. Whereas here low, medium, high operation cost is needed. Next one is adaptability. Static manual updates required in traditional security, whereas dynamic continuous learning adaptation is there. Next one, availability. Limited business hours, shift based, everything is needed, whereas in AI-based security, 24/7, 365 days, all the time it is providing you with availability. Next one, AI in military defense. Advanced AI system for threat detection, autonomous drones, cyber warfare defense. Recently, autonomous drone everywhere is aware about. With the help of the drones, they moved and they can able to find the some persons, unwanted person entered in your within can be identified and they are destroyed. Indian military militants, they kill the intruders, okay, with the help of drone activity, through the help of drones. So advanced AI systems for threat detection, autonomous drones, cyber warfare defense, and predictive battlefield analytics, enhance situational awareness and decision making speed. All those things can be most widely done in our AI military defense. Some of the application are autonomous drone threat prediction, cyber defense, and intelligence analysis. See, the investment is 10 billion plus by 2027. Lot of things in AI military defense they are doing. Nearly $10 billion they are using for by 2027 like that only. Next one, predictive cyber defense. For predicting where from where they are going to do and what they are going to do, for predicting before doing, after we are going to fight. Before that itself we have to predict what from which side they are going to attack, from where they are going to do. Those things can be done using predictive cyber defense, AI system that predicts and prevents cyber attack before they occur. That's what prediction is. Okay. Which country is going to fight with India? All those things can be identified based on the news spreading and based on activities happening, based on analysis they will do. AI system that predicts and prevents cyber attack before they attack. Analyze global threat intelligence, vulnerable data and attack, and forecast and neutralize threat proactiveness. Some of the capabilities are zero day prediction. Before starting, we can able to predict threat hunting, auto redemption, attack simulation. These are the things we can enable with the help of predictive cyber defense. So prevention rate is 85 to 95% of attacks can be able to predict. Next one, the AI security revolution. First one is transformation. So AI is funded transforming modern security paradigm, shifting from reactive to predictive, from manual to autonomous, and from isolated to integrated defense system. And next one is intelligence safety. Intelligence system significantly improves safety and response capabilities, achieving detection rate about 99%, while reducing response time from days to seconds. Some of the key takeaways are AI enables real-time threat detection with unprecedented and speed and accuracy. Within a faster rate, we can enable do all those things. Integration of multiple AI technology create comprehensive defense. Organization must address ethical and privacy concern. Next one, 24/7 autonomous operation eliminates human limitation and fatigues. Predictive capability shifts security from reactive to proactive. The future is autonomous, predictive, and AI-driven. Next one, some of the key application of AI in cybersecurity. That's what we saw already. Overview we are going to see. First one is threat detection and prevention. AI analyzes network traffic and system logs to identify suspicious activities, detects malwares, ransomware, phishing attack, and zero-day vulnerabilities, continuously learns from new attack patterns and adapts to emerging threats. Intrusion detection system. AI-powered intrusion detection system monitors network behavior in real time, identify anomalies and that may indicate unauthorized access or cyber attacks. Next one, introduce false positive compared to traditional rules-based system. Next one, malware analysis. Machine learning algorithms classifies and detects malicious software. Behavior analysis helps identify previously unknown malware variants. Ensembles faster incident response and investigation. Next one is phishing detection. Natural language processing technique analyze emails, URLs, and website contents. Detect fraudulent messages and suspicious links. Protect users from social engineering attacks. Next one is user and entity behavior analytics, that is UEBA. AI establishes normal behavior patterns for users and devices. Detect unusual activities such as unauthorized access and data exfiltration. Helps identify insider threats. Next one is uh, security operation automation. It automates repetitive security tasks such as log analysis and alter prioritization. Support security operation centers by reducing analyst workload. Improve response time to security indicates. And these are the key application of AI in cybersecurity. Next one is benefits of AI in cybersecurity. Faster threat detection and responses available there. Next one, improve accuracy in identifying the attacks. Reduce human intervention and operational cost. Enhance protection against evolving cyber threats. Real-time monitoring of large-scale network. As we saw already, faster threat reduction and responses available if we incorporate AI in cybersecurity. Because of that only we can able to identify in the video cameras or else CCTV we are having, if any misbehavior anything happen with the human intervention, it will take 1 to 2 days like we saw already. If it is using AI now, within a fraction of a second it will tell at what time this activity happened like that, and even which person is moving and who did that, like that everything can be identified. He is the person who did this, like that the photo it will come, and we can able to predict. It will be more useful for policemen also for identifying the fraud actions. Even we can able to detect face forgery detection using deep learning techniques. Instead of me, someone is doing makeup and coming, and based on that we can able to predict whether it is the same person or different person. Say based on each and every points in our we are having nearly number of points, and thereby the points and the edges we can able to identify this is not the same person or a different person, like that we can able to identify. And no need of human intervention, and the task operational cost can be reduced if we are incorporating AI in cybersecurity. The starting cost, installation cost only will be there high. After that and all, there won't be much money needed or wastage will be there. Enhanced protection against evolving cyber threats is possible, and real-time monitoring for large-scale network is also available. Next one, already we saw the challenges, and these are some of the other challenges. Adversarial AI attack can manipulate AI model. High quality training data is required. If yeah, before machine learning or deep learning or anything, if you are having large amount of data, how much training you are providing, based on the training only it will provide you with good result. Okay, so training it plays a major role. 100% training, 80% training, 80-20 ratio, or 100 training, how much you are giving, then only it will provide you with the result that accurate rate will be more. Next one, privacy and ethical concern in data collection is needed. Privacy, without anyone's awareness or without our permission, they are taking all our privacy and they are collecting the data. That is the only concern here. Privacy and ethical concern in data collection. Significant computational and infrastructure requirement. If you are thinking about privacy, that's why few faculties or few of our friends using medical field. If you are taking medical field into consideration, we can't able to take the real-time images because privacy matters. They won't. Doctor itself won't give some of the data of patients. Simply they give the images, but for which patient and all they won't give because that is more private. So only the person those who are doing in medical field they can't able to work in real-time application, real-time data they can't able to use. Only the already their data set they will use for uh, their work and all. Next one, whereas here privacy we can't able to consider because CCTV camera will take care of each and every one image, video, everything, and there will be privacy and ethical concerns and then data collection is needed. Significant computational infrastructure environment and significant computational infrastructure requirement it is needed. If the infrastructure is not good, we can't able to provide. Last one is potential false positive and false negatives will be there. And if you are able to identify those things with the help of that only this process. Next one is future AI-driven autonomous security system, and even now we are having cars with the light. BMW cars we are having right in that and all automatic light adjustment is there and object identification and driver browsing. Lot of features they incorporating. Okay, even in my car and all we are having ADAS system, but ADAS system is failure in Indian side like that, and I off the ADAS for that lot of amount to be wasted, but it is not most widely used in Indian roads and all. Lot of features are there in current recently coming vehicles. If it is cost is more, the features is more good. Okay, AI driven autonomous security system is there. Enable AI for transparent decision making. ADAS is also one type of decision making. It will provide you with brakes and all. If opposite any cars or vehicles coming, we can't able to press. We can't able to move further. Automatically, it will put brake. That's what ADAS system will do. And explainable AI for transparent decision making. Federated learning for privacy preserving threat detection is there. And the integration of AI with zero trust authentic architecture. Last one is generative AI for advanced threat intelligence and cyber defense. Finally, we are coming to the conclusion part. AI is transforming cybersecurity by providing intelligence, adaptive, and automated defense mechanism against increasing sophisticated cyber threats. By combining AI techniques with traditional security measures, organization can improve threat detection, incident response, and overall cyber resilience. With this, I am concluding my session, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. And this is a short note for me to have this session. Thank you, Agnes, madam, for giving me this opportunity. I
Thank you,
hope,
sir.
yeah, I hope the session gives you a basic introduction about cyber security and AI concept where and all we are using. Thanks for giving this information.
Participants, any queries?
Okay, in comment, someone asked about can you explain NLP, natural language processing, like that. Someone commented. Madam, natural language processing, even now in our Google itself, it is now happening. If you are telling anything, it is understanding and it is typing and it is giving answers to you, right? That's what NLP, with the help of that only NLP is doing. Even in cars, we are having. If you are telling what is the weather condition, it is too hot, like that. If you are telling means based on that air circulation, AC event, it is providing you with everything is happening now. All the thing is done using natural language processing concept. What we are talking, even now in our Google itself, we are having it. What we are giving, it will provide you with English, Tamil, Telugu, in all the way. It will going to convert and it is providing you with solution. Now we are having autonomous vehicle, everything, right? If I am talking in Tamil, left la po right la pona, based on that it will do. In the same way, English, Telugu, in all the way, it will, everything will be happening because of NLP, natural language processing only. What is the text or input we are giving, it will understand, and based on that it will act accordingly. That's what NLP will do, ma'am. Agnes, madam.
Agnes, switch on your mic.
Agnes, ma'am, switch on. Yeah, please.
Is it audible?
Yes.
What's the basics in AI and cybersecurity? Thank you very much, sir. Participants, once again, switch on your video to take snap. Okay, thank you, Dr. Dilipan Rajkumar sir. Okay, and thank you, Dr. Dilipan Rajkumar sir. And thank you all participants for your active participation and active participation. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow the session will start 10 a.m. But all participants kindly join before 10 minutes. Thank you. Feedbacks link shared in the chat box. Kindly fill that feedback for today's session.